If your Merchant Center account is ineligible for free listings on Google, it may be because you don't have enough information to enroll your account. To influence your eligibility for free listings, make sure to provide Google with high-quality information about your business and your products. Here are some tips to ensure your customers will have a positive experience and that your business is properly represented. First, follow our SEO guidelines to improve the visibility of your website on Google. You can improve your eligibility for seller ratings by opting into Google customer reviews or other third-party review services. Next, make sure you match the product data in your Merchant Center feed with your website to make sure that pricing and other product information is consistent. You can work with a third-party platform to show, promote, or sell your products across Google. Linking your account will associate your Merchant Center account with an account you manage on a third-party platform. And finally, if applicable, you can link your Merchant Center account to your existing Google Business profile. For more information, visit the Google Merchant Help Center.